Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bike cassette. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Speedeo MTB Bicycle Cassette. Specifications: Model number WSD 80111036A1. Sensitivity 108 sounds. Material alloy. Gear teeth 10 to 36. Is _customized? Yes. Freewheel speed 11. Origin mainland China. Components Freewheel. Item number 4 is Ryro Road Bike Ultralight Freewheel. Specifications: Brand name Ryro. Type Road Bike Freewheel. Is _customized? Yes. Model number Ryro CVR. Material alloy. Gear teeth 28-34T. Freewheel speed 11. Origin mainland China. Components Freewheel. As the item number 3, we've selected Sunshine Ultralight Mountain Bicycle Cassette. Specifications: Brand name Goldix. Type MTB Bike Freewheel. Model number Sunshine SZ. Sensitivity 108 sounds. Material aluminum. Gear teeth 11-52T. Freewheel speed 12. Origin mainland China. Item number 2 is ZRACE XDR 12-speed cassette. Specifications: Brand name ZRACE. Type Road Bike Freewheel. Model number ZRACE XDR. Material carbon steel. Gear teeth 28 to 44. Freewheel speed 12. Origin mainland China. Components Freewheel. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Sunshine Ultralight 11 Speed Road Bike Freewheel. Specifications: Brand name Sunshine SZ. Type Road Bike Freewheel. Is _customized? Yes. Model number Super Light Cassette. Sensitivity 108 sounds. Material alloy. Gear teeth 11. Freewheel speed 11. Origin mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.